What's up, guys? CRC back with you here on the channel. I want to talk about having fun and feeling like having fun. This is my Reverb with Helio. Odin, the release candidate on it. This is a premium build, but this thing is grass stained. Grass all over it. Bent props. My smart audio isn't working. My motors are starting to sound bad. On and on and on and on. But after having just a week nearly of frustration of trying to get some of my Betaflight long range rigs tuned, and it's probably not a Betaflight thing. It could just be, the 5S, 5.5 inch stuff's a little tricky to mess around with. But I haven't had much luck with 3.4. So tonight I finally decided to pull the old Reverb out with Odin and just go to town and just have some fun. And you can take a look at this flight, and it's not nothing special, but I'm just doing like cool things and putzing around here and there and checking things out. I'm just having fun. So check out this flight here. Some of it's special, none of it's not, but I'm just having fun, man. Like, it feels good. The Helio feels good. The Reverb feels good. It cooled off a little bit outside. I'm just enjoying myself. Not hunkering over a computer, trying to look at like dumb black box logs and everything. I mean, look, right there. Beautiful oscillation-free, jello-free video. That's what I want. My Reverb rips, it creeps, it hits gaps, it does all kinds of awesome stuff. And at the end of this video, my props are bent. The thing is just covered in grass and dirt and mud and stuff like that. And you'll see that like none of that changes. The Helio and the Odin adapts. So, am I a Helio fanboy at this point right now? I mean, yeah, for this squad, this works. I'm ready to slap a Helio all-in-one in one of my Betaflight quads that's giving me a bunch of problems and see if it will get the job done. Then that'll be my final result. But, you just can't argue with this. There's no black box log or any kind of sheet proving this or that can disprove that I'm having an awesome time right now flying this quad, and I'm just doing things that I've never really done before because I have confidence and everything just goes where I need it to go, and I just have a connection and a feeling with the quad, which is what we want. Isn't that why we tune? So that way we get the feel that we want? Anyway, enough of that. Check out the rest of this flight, guys. Watch. Ooh, look at that. Do you think Betaflight could have survived that? I don't know.